In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Chrome web browser look better. So if you want to go and change all of the colors and the design of your web browser, then what you first need to do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. Go and scroll down and click on Settings. In the left navigation, click on Appearance and then select Theme. Now in the right hand side, you can see we have all of these different visual customization options. So the first thing we can choose from is either a light or a dark theme. So you can see if I click on dark, it changes everything to the dark mode. And then if you scroll down to the color palette, we can actually go and set custom colors for the web browser itself. So for example, I can click on this kind of orange theme here. You can also go and choose your own colors by clicking the custom eyedropper and then just selecting a color from the color palette. Now you can also click on toolbar in the bottom down here, and you can go and customize the layout of your browser. So for example, underneath navigation, I can turn on or off these different buttons. You can see over on the left-hand side, this is what it changes. And if you scroll down, there's some more things that you can either toggle on or off. And this will just add or remove icons at the top of the navigation here, just basically making it easier to access these different things. Now to go and reset everything back to its original default, you can click on this reset button, and that's going to bring your browser back to its original settings. So you can just go and play around with this and find something that works well for you. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.